What's up, guys? Red Oil Rider, and today it's a Halloween ride. So far, there's a lot of people here, but not even half. So yeah, we got a lot gonna happen tonight. I'll turn this shit off. That's cute. That's cute. Why you got like fake tattoos when you got real tattoos?
No, I got real tattoos. I got hair.
What the fuck? You're Justin Booth. Oh, that's funny. I'm just a shinobi.
Just a regular one?
A regular shinobi, yeah.
Back one? Let me see. Give me a picture real quick.
I had a mask.
Oh, you do?
But I didn't wear it. If it's swallow away. Now, I got a better picture of what I was wearing last night. I actually have real nice kunai knives and everything.
Just fucking put the mask on and take the helmet off and put it on the back.
It's already home. It's too late now. Twins. Eric is Justin for Halloween apparently. All right, let's go, guys. Yeah, he's still going, bro.
Right there. What are you?
Huh?
What are you?
I'm a ninja. From Naruto.
From what?
Naruto, the show. Naruto. I'll send it to you on Snapchat or something later.
Fucking,
tell me what he is.
I told you what I am. Now you gotta tell everybody. But yeah, it's a good summer so far. I mean, it's just started and we're doing fucking great. This is amazing. Everybody's following the rules. I don't know if you can hear me. You probably can hear my music. We're having a good time so far. My fucking wrist is already killing me.
yeah.
Who is this guy? Lois! Where'd you go?
That's my license plate.
Ah. That guy gave me his fist up right there, boy. That's how you know I'm doing some work. Woo! Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.